Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thanks a lot, everybody watching the Duke of Speed on this Corvette. This whole Corvette thing's been a trip. Anyway, it's done. It's almost done. It's done. The door's done. The door works 100%. New motors, new latches, new keys and locks and stuff working. All right. Just need the owner to come by. He's going to help me figure out what we're going to do about fixing the brakes. Hopefully just bleed them out and then put the wheels on and bye-bye. So I'm not going to do a burnout because I'm not going to do a burnout. I don't trust the car. I don't want to break it anymore. Don't want to break it. So I'm not going to do a burnout. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Appreciate it a lot for sure. It's been fun. It's been fun doing this and shit. I got to get back to building that Pontiac Z28. Go back to my channel, look up the Bird's Nest. That's where I park the Pontiac. It's a Firebird Z28. Call it the Bird's Nest. That's where I park it. So we're going to get rid of the Corvette, start chopping that up. Chop up the firewall, frame links, and roll cage. Oh yeah, check that out. The Bird's Nest at the Duke of Speed. The world's only Pontiac Z28. Okay, thanks for watching this video on the Corvette, and that's progress.